Kitang-kita mo pag maganda ball movement eh.
Mid-season lamang kay Jason Webb. Libre si Jaworski Jr.
See, when I say that the play is set up well, eventually you're going to have a good shot. Not
Oo.
like the 4 shots that they've been taking previous to that shot. Drumay si Bin season, na libre si Jaworski.
Jaworski Jr. with the first 3 points of Gordon's Jr. Palpal ni Marlo Aquino, pero Jun Limpot stayed with the basketball. Tarito naman si Francisco from the outside. Wala pa rin. Jun Limpot, titira na naman. Kumalog pero di pumasok. 3 offensive rebounds mula sa Santa Lucia Realty. Jason Webb ngayon.
Well, ang energy nitong batang ito is really providing a lot of spark for the Realtors. No? Yan ay talagang patay kung patay, ubos kung ubos eh.
So yun si Jerry Esplana. Medyo sabi niya, konting kalma lang ang kailangan dito. At gawin natin yung dapat natin gawin. So na-score na naman niya yung short jump.